So if you guys are rolling around with your smartphone without a case, you better check yourself before you wreck yourself.
You better check yourself before you wreck yourself. Come on, everybody, come on. Everybody, just go, yeah.
Today, I'm looking at the Spigen cases for the OnePlus 6T. And bear in mind, Spigen make cases for pretty much any phone you can think of. So these cases you see here, you can probably get them for your phone. So I've made quite a few phone case videos in the past, and this name, Spigen, keeps popping up and people keep telling me I need to check out these phone cases. So these guys reached out to me and said, hey, do you want to look at any cases? I said, I've got a OnePlus 6T, that's what I'm using at the moment. And they said, okay, we'll send you over some cases. So that's what I'm doing today. I've got this one here, which they call liquid air case, and it sounds really, really cool. So let's see what this thing looks like once it's on. So this looks really, really cool. It's flexible. It is kind of rubberized. You've got the Spigen logo there on the inside. You've got a bit of markings up here as well. Air cushion technology in this case. Let's chuck the phone in there and see what it looks like. So this has kind of got that matrix look to it. And I actually put a matrix skin on my OnePlus 6 original. And this actually gives it a very similar type look. Got a nice cutout there protecting the camera lenses. You've got the rubberized button there, and they've exposed the alert slider on the side. Looks like I've scuffed my screen protector, which probably means I'm gonna have to get a new one. And the volume rocker is also very rubberized as well. Not the most flashy case in the world that I've ever seen, but I tell you what, it feels really, really nice. It's very, very grippy. This phone without a case is quite slippery. It's got a really, really nice finish on the back. It's a glass finish, so if you're carrying this around in your pocket with some keys or some coins, it's quite likely you're going to scratch the back of the phone. So this is actually a really nice option. If you want to keep it real low key, keep it a bit stealthy looking, this is actually really, really cool. I like this case from Spigen. Alright, so next up is this one, which is the OnePlus 6T Tough Armor case. Is this something you want? Let me know in the comments below, and also there'll be links to these cases below this video. And if there's any other cases you guys want me to check out from Spigen, let me know and I'll try and do that video for you guys. But now, let's see what this thing looks like once we take it out of the box. So again, on the inside of this one, you've got a similar pattern there, not quite as flexible as the other one. And as you can see, on the back, you've got a kickstand there, which is really, really handy if you're watching movies on a plane or something like that. Engraving underneath, engraving on the top. That's attention to detail right there. And as you can see, it stands up nice and easily. That's really nice, and it doesn't bulk the case up too much. You can see there, the cameras are nicely enclosed in the case, and they're not going to touch the table if you put it flat on the table. Also, you've got ridges around the front. Put it flat face down, it's not going to scratch the phone. Cut out at the top here for the alert slider. You've got a really nice power button there, and they've actually put a little bit of engraving on that just in case you forget what that button does. Then on the other side, same again, you've got engravings on there for the volume rocker. Really nice and flush to the edge of the case. Cutouts at the bottom, as you would expect, for the speakers and for the USB-C port. And on the side, there's a really nice bit of engraving there just to let you know what case you're rocking at the moment. And this is the Tough Armor case, and it really does look like tough armor. It really is solid. If you dropped your phone with this on, you'll probably be alright unless it lands screen side first, in which case it's a 50-50 chance you can still break your screen, but that's why you want to get yourself a screen protector. And I'll link some of those below this video. So let me know what you think about these two Spigen cases. I know you guys have been asking me to look at these products in the past. This is the first time I've actually had a chance to look at them. I'm impressed so far. What do you guys think of these two cases? Would you buy them for yourself? Or is there a better Spigen model out there which I should know about? Leave that in the comments below. And this has been a very, very quick video. I just want to say thank you to Spigen for hooking this up, and a bigger thank you to you guys for watching this quick WhatGear review on these two phone cases. I like both of them. I actually prefer the Tough Armor, but the Liquid Air is also pretty cool if you just want to keep it really simple but safe. And stay tuned guys for the MWC, which is coming up soon. I'm hoping to check out all of the latest smartphones, and I want to create some unique content for you guys. So if you have any ideas for me, leave that in the comments below this video. And make sure you turn on the notifications as well to keep an eye out for all that new content that's going to be coming at the end of this month. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the next one. Don't be late.
You better check yourself or you wreck yourself. Come on, everybody, come on. Yo, everybody.